Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. And in this video, I am going to show you how can you change your address or country into Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open any of your browsers into your computer. And now after opening the browser, just simply open the site of Coinbase into there and log in your account. And after logging into your account, just simply tap into this button and from there click to this account section into here. And it will open up a new tab for you, and into this new tab you will see so many options into here, and one of them is address. Just simply tap into this address option, and then after tapping into that option you can easily change your address from here, and after changing the information just simply click to this save button. And after doing that, your informations will successfully be saved and your address will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.